I'm Magdalena Jie, a South Sudanese by nationality. I am a mother to one child, a male child of 8 years old. I'm also a guardian to some children that I'm fostering. I've lived in Kenya for 29 years, and I think I'm the oldest person in this camp.
I'm by the name Hanawis Mohammed. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Somalia. I'm married and I have 2 kids. I came to Kakuma in 2009 when I was 12 years old.
I'm Rosie Hore. I'm a mother of 3 children. I'm married. I've stayed in Kakuma for 23 years. I'm a facilitator working under FELMAID.
I decided to work as a teacher because that was the passion that I was having ever since I was young. I had a passion of being a teacher. And with me being a teacher now, I think that's one of the dreams that I have achieved.
What motivates me most in my job is that I give a life-saving messages in the community. It also keeps me busy, and by the end of the month, at least I get something to cater for my family.
I have learned many things and that motivates me because what I didn't know before I know now and I can help my community.
Being a refugee initially gives me that passion of trying to help these very refugees that I'm working with to be like me one day.
The job has changed because I've not been able to carry all the activities that I used to carry before because of the pandemic. The number or the target of the participants have reduced because of the guidelines of COVID-19. It has really been a difficult time for me.
My job has changed since COVID-19 struck in. In terms of dropouts, actually learners have not been turning up in good numbers compared to last year. Then another thing, it's the indiscipline cases. They are so rampant. And this might have come as a result of this long holiday of which we have never had in Kenyan system. Yeah, we've never had a holiday of 7 months. And since we had these learners with us at home for all these 7 months, it's a very long time, and it has also contributed to negative impacts into their lives. My favorite part of this teaching profession is actually being in class, interacting with these learners. I really feel good.
The hardest thing is when I'm coming from my home, I feel like to stay at home because I have kids. So I feel like not to go home, but I know that going work is it's helpful for me and the future of my family. I will be working with this job because it has changed me a lot. In the beginning, I was not the way I am today. I have gained more knowledge, more skills, more experiences in life.
Family future hope is trying to give them the best that I can in terms of provision for the necessities. Then at the same time, trying to be with them all the time that I can, because that is the only thing that you can give to your family, time.
I'm also hoping for the best. Specifically, I hope for peace in my country so that one day, one time, I'll go back and live in my country. My children should not follow the pathway that I've gone through. So I hope the best for them, successful in life and be resourceful people in the society.